I am looking at the dollar right now, and this is the 1 hour. 101, 106 is a level that I'm wanting to see price stay underneath. You can see gold right now is already holding at the moment, which is really, really nice. Okay, I don't want you trading NFP at all. Like, wait. We have a 38.20 rejection on the 1 hour. So if you're watching this on the 15-minute, oops, I just moved my Fibonacci. And you're waiting, you essentially want to see news come back up and do something like this, okay? If not, we're going to break out to the upside. So right now, we're just waiting. I have to take my kid to school. Let's see what happens. I have a feeling it's going to like wick. Like, come up real quick, wick, bam, go down. I don't want that to happen, though. I don't want that to happen. Where's my stand? Hold on. Because I don't want to sit here and hold my phone. This is so annoying. Why do y'all never hop on these lives? Oh man, so close. I'm sitting here telling my team I wanted a wick of 101.271. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Exactly what I said. Exactly what I said. I'm so fucking amazing. Look at me telling my team. I said if there's going to be a crazy wick, it's going to go to 271. From 101, 271. It didn't go there. It went to 101, 209, motherfucker. But then I said for gold, we need 25.26 needs to be broken. 25.26 right here. Look at the timestamp. Look at the timestamp. Look at the timestamp. Look, 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 look. Y'all are proof. Y'all are proof. Here we go. This is the proof right here in the pudding. Right here. This was the level I was looking for. 38.20 rejection. I called this. I called it. I called it. I called it. I called it. And I said it was going to go to 105.08. Bitch. Ah. Gold hit our level. Yeah. All right, so with DXY, I'm waiting to see if it's going to go to 100.508. It's going to definitely do a pullback, you guys. So we just need to chill. This was also a continuation in trend. Oh, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, so remember, you're not trading this. You're not trading this at all. You're waiting for the pullback. I'm so happy I recorded this live. Hold on, Theo. Sorry, I'm recording real quick.
Recording in progress.
All right, guys. So I am live with my IG subscribers. Unfortunately, I only have one person that was smart enough to subscribe, but did this live, said what I was looking for. I was looking for a rejection of 101, 106. I told my VIP team that I think we're going to get a manipulation to 101, 271. And I'm going to show you real quick just so y'all can see what I'm talking about. This is my VIP team. But I said right here, I said there's going to be a crazy wick at 101, 271. That was at 8:28 a.m. So obviously there's a timestamp here. I said I don't want that just melt. Obviously it happened. And I said we need gold to break 25.26 to hold it. So then I was asking my team to guess up or down. We were close to 271. It ended up going to 101, 209. So I was a little off with that. So that's my miscalculation. And I said, I'm going to piss off so many haters because I'm the fucking GOAT. I also said it was going to go to 100.508. And gold did hit 25.26, by the way. So I'm going to show you. So I'm waiting for it to hit 100.508, which I've called. I said it on lives. I said it in my comments. I have said all of this. Now with gold right here, let me show you guys. This is the 25.26 level that I was looking for it to hit right here. This was it. And I told them that it has to break that to continue going up. So typically you want to wait at least 15 minutes for this candle to like hold and see what happens. The NFP candle usually wicks, really like it wicks. So you got to wait for that confirmation. But we're getting exactly everything that I said was going to happen. I showed you a timestamp. I'm even going to show you in my stock options, not stock options, my VIP group. Let me go to the daily. I told them that right now we were holding at 108.60. So like we need to be careful with that, which is this blue line right here, you guys. This is what I was waiting for. But then I knew we were just going to keep going down based off the daily trend. Like I was very confident in that. So I told them that that we're going to take it hopefully to minus 27 on the higher time frame. So what I'm looking for is if NFP is going to push this down. I'm hoping, but this is really like, this is a lot I'm asking for. But I want it to go to 99.810. I want this to be TP1, and then I just want it to freaking melt. I don't know if that's going to happen. This may take a couple days, but that's what I told them I was looking for, and it worked. I'm going to give you the confirmations on the daily so you can see what I'm talking about right here. All right. If you are part of my classes, you already know this is the money line. You have 2 rejection candles shot all the way down. It's more than 2 days before. So Monday and Tuesday gave us the indication, gave us the Fibonacci retracement. We also tested some higher weekly levels and we shot down. It's doing exactly what I said was going to happen. Yeah, I cannot wait to post this. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Can't wait. Dun, 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 dun. I hope I can save this. I'm trying to hurry up and wait. Hurry up and wait. Now you gotta wait for the retest. I have to take my kids to school, so I'm not gonna be able to take advantage of this the way I want. But I think by the time I get back, I'll be able to see a setup. Just go to 200. Go to 100, 508, bro. Go to 100, 508. Now that blue line you see is that support that I was saying was very strong. And I was being mindful. I think that was 100,860, I believe. Yeah, around that area. So I want this candle to close underneath it. Remember. I'm talking to my team, you guys. You're welcome, love. We need, let's see. I am on IG live and recording and talking to my team. So if you hear me telling people you're welcome, yeah. So we need the 15-minute candle at least to stay below. I would like to see a retest of that level. Retest under there. For continuation. What happened?
The clothes.
What? They need to be ironed?
Yeah, I guess. I'm just trying to pick out.
It's 8:40. All right. Just put on some basketball shorts, baby.
Okay.
Come on, wet your face with some water, okay? I told you I was going to need your help today. Now, I'm on live right now. Please don't, yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay. All right. I guess I'm going to just keep my phone here. I'm going to go help my son with what he needs. And see if something presents before I have to leave. If it does not present before I have to leave, I'm going to show you what I'm looking for. That 100,860 area, I want to see price stay below. So I want to see like a retest underneath it to the continuation of the monthly support. If this candle, I'm on the 1 hour here, and we have 3 minutes left on the 15. But if this candle ends up breaking it, you want to say a retest under 100,508. Otherwise, it's going to bounce off of that level and go up. Okay? Anytime you are buying candles. All right. Just gonna quickly look at the 5 minute. Let me put it over here since. I told you guys I was in NQ, and I was waiting actually for this 4-hour resistance to be rejected right here. So this is the entry position, and I really want to see the candle close underneath. If the candle, does not close underneath this, then I'm just going to exit. I should have taken my money, to be honest with you, but I was taking my youngest to school because it hit my minus 27. And usually when it closes above 0, I exit my trade. So I didn't do that. It is what it is. So I may need to exit this. Let's go back to DXY. And 52 seconds left. I'm so tired. Just wait. Just wait. But your girl was right. So, to prove my theory, remember what I said. If you're in the swing, news, NFP already pushes your trade in a direction that it's already going, right? So this was your retest here, and NFP just concluded that push down, just like I said in my video. I also stated that you usually get an indication slightly prior to news that it's going to go down. I'm on the 15-minute. You have 2 rejection candles right here showing you that, okay? If you want to get into that, you get into that. I told you guys, I don't recommend doing that. I recommend waiting after for the cleaner setup. This would have required you to have to go down to a smaller time frame and literally wait for a candle to break below. So this would have been an entry down here on the 1 minute, which I don't really trade because there's more risk there. So that's why personally, I'll look at my 15-minute candle. I would look at my 15-minute to see if I get a retest to confirm the continuation down, okay? If it makes a 100% retracement, I'm not good. I won't. I have to wait longer, period. I have to wait longer, okay? So that's how it works. That's it. I'll have to come back. I have to help my son get ready for school. So I hope that this live video shows you that I know what the hell I'm talking about. We just proved the haters wrong. I will come back and do an assessment on it after the fact. But let's see, we want at least a 50% retracement of that news candle, which is going to put us around slightly above market structure or this level that I was talking about. So we want to see how that is. If you want to be extra careful, wait for your 1-hour candle close. Because if this 1-hour candle closes on top of that level that I gave you guys, that is a strong support. It's going to push up and it's going to come back and break this and go to that 101.271, 101.467. That's not what I want to see. I want to see it go to 100.508. That's what I want. But, you know, I can't always get what I want. All right, guys, I will keep this up, but here's your proof about everything I said in that reel.